Good morning and welcome to the MAHI kitchen. Today we're going to create a lovely plant-based and yummy and summery dish for you. So Betty, what have you got in store for us?
So today we're going to be doing sweet potatoes with spicy chickpeas and a peri-peri lemon and herb yogurt sauce. Preheat the oven to 200. Wash the sweet potatoes and cut them in half lengthways. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the potatoes and rub the halves together to make sure it's all covered in oil. Then we just pat down the chickpeas with kitchen roll just to get rid of the excess moisture, and then we'll pop it back in the bowl and then add the spices.
Now we're going to put the chickpeas and the sweet potato in for 25 minutes.
Mix together the yogurt and the lemon and herb sauce. Chop up the coriander and the baby tomatoes. Now we're going to score the sweet potatoes, and then we're just going to add all of the toppings. And there you have it, another MAHI recipe, which is plant-based, affordable and tasty.